Have you ever wondered how different cultures celebrate their traditional festivals? Picture this: a world where every corner is filled with unique customs, vibrant colors, and rich traditions that have been passed down from generation to generation. This is the fascinating world of traditional festivals, a testament to the cultural heritage that binds us together as humans. Each festival, whether it's the radiant Diwali in India, the lively Carnival in Brazil, or the jovial Oktoberfest in Germany, tells a story about the people and their culture. These festivals are not just about having fun, they are a celebration of life, unity, and heritage. They are a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of history, culture, and tradition. They are a window into a culture, a chance to experience a slice of life from a different part of the world. So, are you ready for an adventure? Stay tuned as we embark on a journey of cultural discovery, exploring traditional festivals around the world. First, let's illuminate our minds with the Festival of Lights, Diwali, celebrated in India. This is more than just a festival. It's a symphony of spirituality, joy, and community that resonates across the subcontinent and beyond. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, signifies the victory of light over darkness, good over evil. The name itself is derived from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, which means rows of lighted lamps, and that's exactly what you'd see. Homes, streets, and cities are bedecked with millions of lamps, candles, and fairy lights, creating an ethereal panorama of light. The festivities span over 5 days, with each day having its unique traditions. It all begins with the cleaning of homes, symbolizing the purification of the soul. Then, on the main day of Diwali, families gather together for rituals, prayers, and the lighting of lamps. Fireworks fill the sky, adding more brilliance to the night. An integral part of Diwali is the exchange of gifts and sweets. From mouth-watering gulab jamun to crunchy jalebi, these sweet treats are not just about indulgence, but a way of spreading happiness. A fascinating aspect is the creation of colorful and intricate rangoli designs at the entrance of homes. Made from colored powders, flowers, and rice, these artistic patterns are not only visually appealing but also embody a warm welcome to all. There's a personal experience I'd like to share. Once I was fortunate enough to spend Diwali in India. The sense of togetherness, the joyous laughter, the sparkle in people's eyes, and the sheer vibrancy of it all was truly captivating. It felt like the whole world had come together to celebrate life, love, and light. Interestingly, while Diwali is rooted in Hindu mythology, it is celebrated by people of different faiths and backgrounds, highlighting the universal appeal of its core message, the triumph of light over darkness. Diwali, with its vibrant colors and joyful celebrations, truly lights up the culture of India. This is not just a festival, it's a testament to India's rich cultural tapestry, a beautiful blend of tradition, spirituality, and festivity that transcends borders and unites hearts. Next, we journey to Brazil, where life is a celebration, particularly during the famous Carnival. This festival of joy, color, and rhythm is an essential part of Brazilian culture, where people let loose and celebrate life to the fullest. Often considered the biggest party on the planet, Carnival is a rich tapestry of tradition and excitement. The festival traces its roots back to ancient Roman and Greek celebrations, later adapted by the Portuguese and brought to Brazil, where it evolved into its current vibrant form. It's a time to let go of inhibitions, to dance, and to celebrate the human spirit. The festivities during Carnival are as varied as the country itself. The pulsating rhythm of samba music fills the air, its infectious beats encouraging everyone to move their feet. Samba schools, community-based groups, spend the entire year preparing for the grand parade. Intricate floats and flamboyantly dressed dancers take to the streets, their vibrant costumes a riot of color and creativity, each telling a unique story of Brazilian culture and history. But Carnival isn't just about the parades. Block parties, or blocos, happen all over the country, where locals and tourists alike join in the fun. The rhythm of the drums, the energy of the crowd, the joy in every face, it's an experience like no other. And let's not forget the food. Brazilian cuisine comes alive during Carnival. Street vendors serve up traditional foods like feijoada, a hearty black bean stew with pork, or acarajé, deep-fried balls of black-eyed pea dough filled with shrimp. Both dishes are a testament to Brazil's diverse culinary heritage, a fusion of flavors that is as exciting and varied as the festival itself. Whether it's your first Carnival or your 50th, there's always something new to discover, a new dance to learn, a new food to try, a new experience to cherish. This festival is more than just a party, it's a celebration of life, of culture, of human spirit, and of the joy that comes from shared experiences. With its exuberant parades and lively music, Brazil's carnival is a testament to the country's vibrant and joyful spirit. Finally, we travel to Germany, where tradition is toasted annually at the Oktoberfest. A grand celebration that has been held since the early 19th century, Oktoberfest is a time-honored tradition that has become synonymous with German culture. This festival originated as a royal wedding celebration and has since evolved into a worldwide event, attracting millions of visitors each year. Oktoberfest is more than just a festival. It's a symbol of camaraderie, community spirit, and of course, the love for good food and beer. The customs and traditions associated with Oktoberfest are as delightful as they are varied. People from all walks of life gather in traditional Bavarian clothing, known as Tracht. Men wear lederhosen, leather breeches, while women adorn themselves in dirndls, a traditional alpine peasant dress. The sight of thousands of people in such attire, all in one place, creates an atmosphere that is both festive and nostalgic. Activities during Oktoberfest are aplenty. From traditional folk dances and music to the thrilling amusement rides, there is always something for everyone. But perhaps the most iconic activity is the beer drinking. Oktoberfest is famous for its beer tents, where the golden brew flows like a river, and the clinking of beer mugs echoes throughout the festival grounds. Now let's talk about food. Oktoberfest is a gastronomic delight, featuring hearty and delectable Bavarian dishes. Pretzels, sausages, pork knuckles, and various regional cheeses are some of the mouth-watering treats you can expect at this festival. And let's not forget the apple strudel, a sweet ending to a hearty meal. Oktoberfest is more than just a celebration. It's a cherished part of German heritage that has been shared with the world. I remember attending my first Oktoberfest, being swept up in the joyous atmosphere, the vibrant energy, and the sense of unity that the festival fosters. It was an experience I'll never forget. With its hearty food and traditional music, Oktoberfest offers a taste of Germany's rich cultural heritage. As we've seen, traditional festivals are a window into the soul of a culture, each unique yet universally human. They reveal the beauty of cultural diversity, from the vibrant colors of Diwali in India, a festival of lights, to the exuberant energy of Brazil's carnival, a riotous celebration of life. And who could forget the hearty camaraderie of Germany's Oktoberfest, a toast to tradition and community? These festivals, though geographically distant and culturally distinct, share a common thread. They foster a sense of community, celebrate shared history, and express the joy of life in its myriad forms. Through the lens of these festivals, we gain invaluable insights into the customs, beliefs, and values that shape societies across the globe. They remind us of our shared humanity, despite our diverse cultural backgrounds. Remember, every culture has its own unique festivals, each a celebration of heritage, tradition, and most importantly, community. So the next time you encounter a new festival, embrace the opportunity to learn, celebrate, and connect.